Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn on YouTube dark mode on PC. So let's get to it. To do it, let's go to YouTube. Now we're gonna look for the upper right corner where we have our profile picture. Select it, and now we have to search for appearance. Now, as you see, it says device theme. This means if you were using YouTube on your phone, for example, now in your computer you will have the same theme as in your phone. But if you want to change it, all you have to do is click there and you can choose between dark or light. Or as I said before, you can choose device theme. If you choose device theme, it will change automatically depending on which theme you choose on your phone or your computer. And it will change if you, for example, you choose dark mode in your computer and in your phone you have chosen device theme, you will have in your phone the same theme that you have on your computer. And that was all for today. As I said, this video was really easy and very simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.